Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. My name is Estelle. So today I'm going to be adding more beauty to this beautiful face. Like I'm going to transform this face, okay? So if you are interested and want to see what the final look is, I didn't say skip, like see what the process is, correct that word. If you want to see what the process to this beautiful transformation, like where we're heading to, definitely keep on watching. And if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe, join this family, ask the back seats. We have fun here, right? See, we have fun here. So join this beautiful family by subscribing. Thank you. And if you love this video, give me a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. And today's makeup is going to be affordable and drugstore. Yeah, you heard right. So sit tight, okay? Don't skip. But first, I'm use any baking powder you have, and you know, this way it makes your brows stand out. No talking, let's do this. By the way, this is the Rimmel brow pencil in black brown. I'm going to use this pencil until it's like this. So if you see me using this pencil, I'm going to fast forward this brow section because I have a brow tutorial, and other of my videos I also have done brows. So to make this faster, we're going to fast forward it. Thank you. I'll use this NYX brow pencil to define the outer part. Okay, so now that we have these brows like this, I'm going to use my concealer and clean that out. I just hope they are looking equal, because sometimes after doing these brows, I'll now see that they are looking brothers and sisters and not sisters. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Honey and the number 338. I'm using that to define my brows. Okay, now guys, the eyes are set, the concealer, everything is set. We are ready to go. This is Juvia's Place Warrior 2, yeah, and this is the berry palette. I'm going to play with these two palettes today, and let's go. I'm going to use this shade right here, and I'll use that just to create my base, like, you know. Now I'll go into this shade here. It's called Jamata. Now moving on to this shade right here. It has no name. I'm going to pick it and so I changed my mind. I'm going to use this yellow shade here. It's called Nubia. I'm going to place that on my lid. Now guys, everything is looking good and smooth. I'm going to add a little bit of this black. What? So right now I'm just spreading out that black. I didn't go with the black the initial time because it will be very hard to blend, so I builded it up with darker colors, then that way I can place it very lightly. So I'm going to use this yellow shade here. It's called Nubia, and I'm going to apply that on my lid. I'm going to go in with this lash glue, and I'm going to place that on that glitter, on that shadows. So I'm going to use this glitter from Violet Voss and is in Golden Fairy. I'm going to apply that. So now I'm going to use the Born to Glow from NYX in the shade Cappuccino. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. We used it earlier. Going with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, and I'm going to set. I'm going to use the NYX setting powder in Banana. While that is setting, I'm going to use this CoverGirl Queen collection, and I'm going to use that to bronze out my face. I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Blush Palette in Volume 1, and I'm going to dip into this 2 shade here. I'm going to use this Get Gorgeous highlighter. So I'm going to line my lips now. I'm going to use this Brown Essence Hot Chocolate liner. This Drugstore lip pencil. I'm going to mix this NYX Sugar Mama and the Sleep Tea in Lip Lacquer. That's how it's called. I'm going to apply my lip gloss on it. I'm going to spray my face using this Milani Make It Last setting spray. So guys, to make this tutorial quick so we don't waste all the time here, I use this black to smoke out my under eyes, and I applied this color right here. Hey guys, this is it for this look. I'm so happy I attempted this look. Initially I was going to stop everything, but I think it came out fine, even though my eyes are kind of tearing up, going red. You know, the eyes are babies, okay? They don't want to be stressed, but we have to do what we have to do, right? So I enjoyed this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it also. If you did, kindly leave me a comment down below. Drop this emoji right here if you watched till this minute, and I hope you didn't skip any of this video to this place. You guys should watch my video, for God's sake. I'm begging you guys, help my channel grow. Do you want me to remain in this? I don't want to say there's power in spoken words. And there's power in spoken words. English is anyways, I hope you guys stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in hey. No. If you're not subscribed, hey Estelle, how do you want to forget this? If you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Like, I'm carried away because of this, and I forgot to tell you guys, and they say we should be saying it, and now I want to say it to you. Please, if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Hit the bell beside it. Join my family, Joe. Please join my family, okay? Biko, join my family. I don't know your language. I'll beg you in that language. Join. Don't watch and don't be looking at me from one corner. Enter. Join this family. Let's grow. Drop comments when you watch. Thumbs up. You go straight, watch, and what's the problem? Please leave me an emoji if you love this look, and drop me a comment down below. It's easy. Nice look, gorgeous, beautiful, all of them. I want to hear it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Subscribe.